Hey everybody, Steve Nixon again with FreeJazzLessons.com. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Okay, as you guys know, I've been working really hard creating all kinds of new lessons and new content for the premium membership version of the site. So today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys another snippet of what's coming. So what we're going to learn now is we're going to learn some really sweet scale and improv techniques over the Miles Davis tune So What. These techniques I'm about to teach you can be used not only on So What, but they can be used on all kinds of other jazz standards as well. So this lesson is really going to be beneficial for you. All right, enough introduction. Let's step over the piano and get started learning. Thanks. All right, so there's really a lot of different approaches we could take improvising over this tune, but in today's lesson, we're just going to focus on three important scales. The scales we're going to learn are Dorian, melodic minor, and the blues scale, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use them over So What. So the reason why we're choosing these scales is they're fairly easy to play and understand, and I can get you making music with them pretty quickly. Okay? Alright, so the first scale we're going to take a look at is Dorian. Alright, and the theory for this, if we were in the key of D, the notes would be D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so this is scale degree 1, 2, flat 3 if we were going to compare it to major. So flat 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, because in major this is our major 7, so flat 7, and then 1 again. Okay, so there it is. Alright, now the next chord in So What is E flat minor, so here it is over E flat, same theory. Okay, so the notes are E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D flat, and then E flat again. Okay, so that is your Dorian scales for So What. Alright guys, now let's take a look at melodic minor. Okay, melodic minor is actually very similar to Dorian, but there's going to be one note difference. Okay, so before we had, which was Dorian, but now instead of having this C, we're going to do C sharp. And the theory on this is 1, 2, flat 3. There's our major third, so flat third. 4, 5, 6, major 7, and then the root again. So if you guys are sort of familiar with melodic minor from classical theory, this is different. We play it a little differently in jazz. So in classical, melodic minor is, and then it descends down into natural minor, but we will not be descending. We will be using what is called the ascending version. Both up and down. Okay, so that's what we'll do there. All right, I'll quickly teach you now the the scale notes in E flat. Okay, so here we are. We have so E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat, and it's the same theory as we had it in D. Okay. Alright guys, so the last scale we're going to talk about before I kind of throw them all together and start jamming with them is the blues scale. Okay, so the blues scale is very easy. The notes in D are D, F, G, G sharp, A, C, D. Okay, and the theory is 1, flat 3, 4, flat 5 or sharp 4, okay, 5, flat 7, okay, and then D. Alright, so yes, there's a reason why they call it the blues scale. It sounds pretty bluesy. Okay, so over E flat, the notes are E flat, G flat, A flat, A natural, B, D flat, and E flat. So that's the blues scale. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put on a jam track and start mixing and matching these different scales together. I'll create little melodies and use the scales as source material for my improvisation. And I'll point out each time when I'm using the different scales. So let's take a listen. 1, 3.